Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to a new analysis and a new update on one of the strongest cryptos in the market right now, which is obviously Pepe again. Which I had to cover it because over the last, well, what is it? I'm not even sure. Like over the last night, over the last 12 hours or so, Pepe again has been one of the strongest cryptos. And in general, that's also what we talked about. Because what you see right now is that Pepe, in my eyes, the formation is still bullish. All right, because what you see is that we had that first momentum, that first move with momentum. We had some sort of a bullish flag, second move with momentum. So what we've talked about for the last couple of days is that right now it looks quite likely that we are again in one of those channels, and that could turn into, after a bullish breakout above this level right here at 84 and 8500. That could turn into another move with momentum, and that's interesting. All right, and what you saw, and I can also show you that by looking at the chart of Pepe against Bitcoin, if they have that. This will probably not work that much, but Pepe against Bitcoin is also still bullish. All right, so that's good, because that means that if Bitcoin actually falls down, Pepe falls down a bit less. And if Bitcoin is able to rally, which today there are some catalysts that could make it rally, then Pepe has a chance to rally higher. And apart from that, what you also saw over the last, again, 12 hours is that we actually gained some momentum here, which was also needed because the momentum was dropping down rapidly since the 5th of May, so since Sunday. All right, so there's a slight reason to be bullish on Pepe, but you cannot be fully bullish on Pepe yet. All right, because, and this is kind of the same story as the last time we were in a short-term downtrend like this, is that there are reasons to be bullish on Pepe. All right, so you see the momentum increase and you see the relative strength against the market. So that's great. But in general, if you zoom out, the only way that Pepe can still break out is still only when Bitcoin also gets bullish. Right, Pepe is still, even though it's stronger than Bitcoin, it's still correlated to Bitcoin for about 88%. So this all looks great, and theoretically, we could break above 8,500 right here, and we would be bullish. All right, that's a bullish breakout, and therefore also a continuation of this structure we've been forming since the 20th of April, which is also bullish. So purely theoretically, that is true. But I don't think a breakout there would hold up if Bitcoin is still bearish like this. So there the catalyst comes in today, which I think is the most interesting news event of today, and that's the initial and the continuing jobless claims. If those are higher than expected, that's bullish for crypto, then Bitcoin has some sort of a chance to break out. I would say the level between 62 and 62,400 is the main level to break. And if Bitcoin is able to break above that, then I expect Pepe to rally. But I cannot tell you that I think this is most likely, because it depends on the news. And if we do not get positive news, then unfortunately, even though the momentum has gone up a little bit here, unfortunately, I still think that it's most likely that we would just drop back down and stay in this bearish channel until 7,200 for now. So this is what I think you should expect, because it is in line with the short-term market structure. There are ways, like we talked about, to break out of that short-term bearish market structure and to turn bullish, but we have to wait for those things, all right? And we have to wait for the outcome of certain events, then we know more, and then we can trade based on that. If we get a positive Bitcoin and we break above 8,600, I will buy, but for now, I would just wait it out. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.